POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company EKEN. That's E-K-E-N. And this is another wireless video doorbell. This is actually their Video Doorbell 2, their second generation. And similar to some of the ones we've covered in the past, it offers various different functions. It's 720p HD video. It can do wired or wireless, which means you can make use of your pre-existing doorbell wiring that's already there at your door, or you can choose to go off of battery and pretty much place the doorbell anywhere you want. So if you want to put it on the side entrance or rear entrance or anything else, or you just don't have wiring already going to your door, you can rely on the actual battery itself. But for now, we're going to pop this box open. We're going to see what's inside this box, and then you'll go to POCnetwork.net, where we'll have something to say about this later and tell you what we think about it with some sample footage and whatnot. Getting into the box here, you're directly met with the doorbell itself. Again, this is the EKEN Video Doorbell 2, second generation, 720p wireless video doorbell. In addition to that, inside the box, looks like you have a little compartment here with some information and parts. You have a little fold-out here that kind of walks you through the installation of the doorbell itself. It kind of gives you, you have the basics, you have the mounting bracket explanation, what comes in the box, and then the instructions on how to use it if you're choosing to go hardwiring, using the already provided wiring for your door, and or battery power. And the batteries that are inside are rechargeable batteries. Looks like they're 3000 mAh. They're 18650 batteries. If you're familiar with those, they're actually very popular for flashlights and other devices that take these batteries. You have a bag of screws and anchors, and you have a small little, looks like a hex key, and tiny little screws, and that's it. They do state on the box that this is easy to install, easy installation. So what's nice about that is the fact that it gives you both wired and wireless opportunities when it comes to the pre-wiring in your door. I mean, the device itself is wireless. It does give you wireless video to your cell phone, gives you notifications and whatnot when there's motion detected, just like most of the video doorbells out there. But the ability to go wireless on the back as well, so you don't actually have to connect anything to it, you just install it onto a wall somewhere and you're ready to go, that's a pretty good plus. And I believe the MSRP on this thing falls under $100. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure it falls under $100, which gives it a pretty good price point. But of course, does it work? So at this point, you're going to want to go to POCnetwork.net and keep an eye on this, because once we're done testing this, we're going to put this out. We're going to probably take it to the same house we've been testing a lot of the doorbells with, and we're going to put it to the test. We're going to see what we think about it and get some sample footage and let you know what we think. And when that is ready to be published, you'll find it at POCnetwork.net. And of course, you'll find additional images and more. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. And of course, if you like what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. The button's right there. And we'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.